Are you ready to adopt a self-sufficient, sustainable lifestyle and turn your home into an ecological habitat? EcoHabs for Earth is here to help. Whether it's for your home, business, or a wilderness camp, we fuse science with technology to help you go off the grid and master the art of living free. From do-it-yourself portable solar generators that can be used to power a small workshop or camper, to cie energy mini inverters for taking parts of your home or office off the grid, we have solar projects to help you live free and feel protected in any situation. No need to depend on expensive chemically treated water. We show you how to harvest, store, and filter your own pristine rainwater, complete with solar pump options to get that water where you need it. Empower yourself to sustainably meet your hydration needs. We help you dive into the world of growing your own food and medicine. Explore organic food foresting, discover techniques for growing food in hot climates, and even learn how to cultivate and prepare herbs for use in traditional Thai medicine.
Jeffrey had to build me a really big dehydrator. We'll be dehydrating for food, for medicine, for teas or infusions.
Discover Magical Oaks, our 20-acre ecological camp and learning center within the Florida Wildlife Corridor. This former fernery, now protected through a conservation easement, is refuge to a diversity of wildlife. We develop and demonstrate sustainable living practices at Magical Oaks, which is home to our off-grid eco camps, complete with solar-powered ecological campers. Our DIY portable solar generators provide all the power needed for refrigeration, cooking, a hot shower, lights, and fans to keep us all nice and cool. Contact us to reserve your stay at an eco camp, request a workshop, or even host your own gathering here within the Florida Wildlife Corridor. As a nonprofit, EcoHabs for Earth is working diligently to help create a secure future for our children, grandchildren, and all life on this beautiful planet we call home. Please subscribe and visit our website to join us in building a brighter, greener future for all.